Alright, so here we have the AR drone Parrot, and this thing is controlled by a tablet or a smartphone. Works with the iPhone and with Android phones. As you can see, it's a four-bladed propeller, prop plane, helicopter of course, four-rotor I guess you would say. It's very nice. You can take off the outer foam to create a outdoor helicopter. If you want to leave on the outer foam, it's for protection, so in case you bump into a tree, helicopter should be pretty safe. You can use the top, this top, without the foam around all the outside, and then you just have the helicopter looking like this without all the foam. In the box you're going to get some extra things. I got some stickers, it looks like, not sure. Just put them on somewhere if you want, I guess. You get a couple other chargers. The charger here, I have my AC plug in, but this thing spins in and out. Can't get it right now. A little button for it. Spins in and out, and then you can put in different charges for different countries, so it's multi-country ready. Get your charger. It's a 1 amp charger for 3-cell batteries, and you got your 1000 milliamp lithium polymer with a 10C discharge. Supposed to get about a 12-minute flight time. That'll be a test, and I'm curious to see how good the video feedback is. This runs on a Wi-Fi network, connects to your phone, so it's a Wi-Fi network. It's not like a 2.4 gigahertz RC controller. You know, you're not going to get a long range out of it, but you should get a few hundred feet, and you should be able to have fun. I plan to fly mine just out in the backyard here. I got a big open grass area with some trees to navigate through, so that should be fun. So that's what came in the box. I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up and then show you guys how it works. As you can see now on my screen of my Droid Razr here, I have my Patriot drone hooked up to it. As you can see, it's got a ground view and a front view, so you can see my foot down here and also up front. And this refresh rate is plenty fast. I was worried the refresh rate wouldn't be fast. This is not very skippy. It's refreshing very quickly. Pretty happy with it. As you can see, my battery's low. I just plugged it in to get it all set up. Now I gotta charge my battery and then we'll fly it and see how it goes.